Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's Memefi daily combo. Our combo is similar to that of yesterday, so let's begin to click on this. You might actually see that sometimes when you win or destroy this particular boss level, that it returns you back to the previous stage. This is due to network issues anyway, never mind. So our code for today is 2224. You see that it's the same with the code we used yesterday. So, and as you can see on screen, this works perfectly fine. So we click on continue playing. So I'm going to try for another level so that you can see that this is working fine. Alright, this is level 5. Let's see if the exact combo actually works again. So the code is chest. Okay, let me take it again. Chest, 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 and leg. So if this works fine, we'll have a daily rewards, which is this. So I click on claim, and that's that. Don't forget to turn on your auto birds, especially for those of you that don't have time to be tapping on this screen, so that it will always end coin for you to upgrade to the next level. For example, I've said it before, I need to accumulate 4 million tappings or coin for this level before I can migrate to the next level, and I just have 251,000 left. So that's just about that. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.